Welcome to my YouTube channel, Wake Up and Live. Today we're visiting downtown West Palm Beach on the waterfront. West Palm Beach happens to be one of the ritzier cities in Florida and actually in the entire United States. This is a well-known playground for the rich and the famous. So this is where most of the rich billionaires from New York or the upper north of the United States come to visit during the winter months. We call them snowbirds. And they come by private jets, they come by boats, they come by private trains, all manner of means. But today we're just going to take a look at some of the downtown area scenes of the rich and the famous. So this is a recently revitalized waterfront where they built a lot of piers for the docking of yachts. And to our left, we'll pan to our left and take a look at some of the yachts that are docked up there. As you can see out there, a whole host, layers and layers of yachts docked up. Across the other side of the waterway is what we call the Palm Beach Island. We're standing over a waterway which is actually not exactly the ocean. It's salt water, but it's water trapped between the island and the mainland, which is behind me, as you can see. Alright, so that's the mainland behind me, and the water in between is trapped between the island and the mainland. On the just east of the island, beyond the island we're looking at, is actually the ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. All right. So this is actually salt water, but it's not exactly the ocean. It's trapped in between the island and the mainland. All right. And this is one of the newly built piers that they built for the docking of these yachts, and they use it a lot for entertainment. Many of these yacht owners, actually, when they come down from up north, they actually come down and they dock in the yachts, and the yachts, they live on them actually for months at a time until the winter months are over, and then they go somewhere else, maybe back up north or to Europe or somewhere around. They're rich, so they can afford that. So we're just gonna go out to the tip of the pier and see how close we can get to the island of Palm Beach. Okay. Okay. Huh? Okay. So it's very, very beautiful scene. Very beautiful scene out here. Very eerie and creepy though, because these piers that they're setting up, as you can see, they're floating devices, and they do shake a lot and they squeak a lot. Even this one I'm standing on, they squeak a lot and they are really scary. But it's a beautiful, beautiful landscape, cityscape to look at though. Very nice waterfront. Sun is about to go down. Very scanty out here because everyone is on the quarantine, well, curfew rather, because of the coronavirus situation. People, usually this pier would be full of people, but not today. Today they're very nervous about associating with people, so it's very scanty. Alright, so I'm pretty much going to close off this video with a look at the island. Oh, by the way, to my right, which is this direction, is the United States President Donald Trump's house. It's just beyond that bridge we're looking at over there. Maybe less than a quarter mile on the island going down Mar-a-Lago. And you know, this island is full of mansions. You can see some of them. You may see like the boathouses at the water edge, but to actually appreciate the full extent of these mansions, you would actually have to go over on the island. This big one we're looking on right here was one of the first millionaires in the United States, Henry Flagler, who brought the railroad to Florida and a whole lot of development. They pretty much found the development of Florida, pretty much. But they're right up there along with the Vanderbilts and Rockefellers and all of those. That was centuries ago, though. All right, so gonna close off this video because I hate the feel of this pier constantly moving beneath my feet. So thank you for watching. Hope I gave you some nice sights and sound of West Palm Beach. This is Bob Montego, and you're in tune to Wake Up and Live. Thanks.